Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make something made out of paper. Fold a square sheet diagonally and crease firmly to form a triangle, then open and repeat on the other diagonal. Use those creases as guides to align edges precisely for the next steps. Keep your hands steady and work slowly to avoid tearing, and remember that practice improves neatness and speed with each attempt. Start with basic mountain and valley folds to build the shape's framework, working from big folds down to small details for control. Align corners carefully at each step and use a bone folder or the back of a spoon to sharpen creases without tearing. If a fold misaligns, gently unfold and realign rather than forcing the paper. Take breaks to relax your hands and maintain consistent pressure while folding. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers make cleanup easier and keep small paper bits or glue mess contained when crafting away from your desk. They're great for storing supplies or snacks between steps. I find them handy and hassle-free, so check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After building the basic form, trim excess paper with a sharp blade and tidy any rough edges for a polished look. Apply glue sparingly to small tabs and press joints firmly until set, avoiding visible glue squeeze out. Once the structure is stable, add decorations like ink outlines, light washes of watercolor, or small paper embellishments to personalize your project. Let everything dry fully before handling to preserve shape and finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.